Indonesia is a very friendly country. There's a diverse set of raw material availability, so it gives us the possibilities of making a great product in mixed media. They have responsible and sustainable forest management. More importantly, the people are very friendly, very good work ethic, and the willingness to learn new things, which is very essential in our industry. Our culture is geared towards customer first, meaning a lot of our actions is good towards making the best experience for a customer that's seamless, and to make the process very much easier. Attention to quality and continuous pursuit of giving the best value to the customer in terms of communication, service, quality, and value for the product. Core values and strength of the company is basically we need to continue to use a lot of respect, honesty, and integrity. When we have issues, we encourage our team to be very honest and clear on what we can and cannot do. And likewise, when we work with the customer, we try to give the correct information as possible. Given the various skill sets, material sets, the opportunity for the country is quite strong. You have the outdoor space continues to grow. With the availability of teak, synthetic material, a combination of natural material. You also have the availability of lumber grown here. As I mentioned earlier, there is one of the advantages of Indonesia is the sustainable and responsible forest management. So given all of that and the business friendly atmosphere and the work ethic of the Indonesian, of the country, then you basically have all the ingredients for continued success moving forward, and the ability to respond to all of the challenges that the global environment has.